Hi guys, good morning everyone and welcome to our channel, Babes Life in the US. We need to eat breakfast guys. Breakfast is important. Thank you so much sa mga viewer and subscriber. Let's eat breakfast guys. Happy Monday everyone. Our breakfast for today is hash brown. Hash brown guys. Let's eat. Salabat. And our fruit for today. Let's eat guys. At least they deliver 6 o'clock na by 16. The rest of our order from Amazon. This one. Onion. Chocolate. Grapefruit. Ground beef. Bacon. Cheese. Biscuit natin. Butter. Onion pink. Hopefully this is good because no, still green and the egg and we put one water guys every Thursday guys. Thursday is Monday. Di pick up the trust high tech kayo gayo. Let's eat guys. Our breakfast has brown, mango, and ginger. Let's eat. Let's eat guys. Breakfast for today has brown, mango. Thank you so much to all viewer and subscriber guys. Today is Wednesday, February 18. Let's eat. Little bit chili today. Let's eat guys. Windy. Good morning everyone. Shout out sa mga viewer and subscriber. Gloomy day guys. Lupat ba? Oh, it's very windy. You heard the windy below? Windy too much. Pero windy. We hear some belt guys. Looking my husband clothes. Hindi po right po. Done shopping in build guys. Very happy guys. I get a lot of discount. Wow. Good deal guys today guys. They give what is called that? Veteran discount 5%. They gave extra 20% for the card, belt card, and another percent. Some stuff is 60% off Some is 30% off. Something like that. Home Depot. Right there. Hi guys! Unboxing tayo guys from Belt. My husband shopping in Belt guys. To her attire on my niece wedding. This one guys is 100 siya guys. Regular price 100 but this is have discount guys, 30%. And this suit guys, very nice. This is 305. The price is 305 and 30% off siya. This one pants 135 siya guys. And discount 30%. This one guys, this is 60% discount. Have necktie and button down shirt guys. The price of this is 72, so 60% off siya. And this one, the price is 38, but have 30% discount. And the total of this guy, regular price is 645. And we pay only when 329. We have discount 341 guy. That's a lot guy. We pay only half of the price guy, because they give another additional 20% for the Belt card, and then another 5% discount for the veteran. And thank you so much guys. So the shoes, my husband not find the shoes over there. That's why the leafy shoes. And mine, we bought this in guys, in Manila. This is my dress. Let's eat breakfast guys. Sweet potato, strawberry, and the avocado. This one sugar guys, because this is sour, and ginger tea. Let's eat guys. And this is our fruit. Let's try guys the sweet potato. This is the sweet potato here guys. Basa. Basa siya, wayami. Purple. Masarap yung 70 days na. Kasi ano siya. Yung 70 days kasi, labo ba? Labo. This one is not. Ba't mauman ng potato dito? Yellow. I think yung puti ang masarap. Try daw natin to. Maasim to way, kaya need to soak in the sugar. It's only strawberry in the Philippines guys, so expensive. In Mulobis, yeah, I was there in the market, supermarket, hypermarket pa. I love the price of strawberry, guys. Very crazy. I think 1/4 a kilo. That costs ano? Ah, 450 pesos. So, look like cost guy $8. Here is only $2. So that way, I'm not buying. I'm not buying expensive stuff. Because some food in the Philippines, very expensive. Compare the price here in the US. That's it. Parang akong avocado. Mga avocado guys, hindi na ko niya lagay ng sugar. Ang liit-liit na avocado. Isang piraso, 25 pesos guys.